The highly versatile ZX95W-7 wheeled excavator has been designed to help you control your profitability, comfort, safety, and uptime. You can boost your profits by working on a wider range of projects due to the exceptional versatility of the ZX95W-7. Its compact size and short turning radius allow it to work efficiently and safely in confined areas. The two-piece boom, in combination with the swing boom, make it a perfect match for every job site. It's exceptionally maneuverable thanks to the option of four-wheel steering, and offers excellent lifting capacity to deliver high levels of productivity. Versatility is also enhanced by the use of tilt rotators and quick couplers for attachments. The spacious cab is the perfect working environment. It's easily accessible and easy to operate thanks to intuitive controls within easy reach and the adjustable telescopic steering wheel. And the air conditioning and heated air suspension seat provide a high level of comfort. Your safety is enhanced by the superior view you get from the cab. Visibility is boosted by the rear view camera and optional side view camera, giving you an excellent view of your surroundings. The small steering wheel ensures good visibility through the front window. Stability is provided by the blade at the rear of the undercarriage and by independently operating outriggers. The ZX95W-7 will boost your uptime because of its ultra-reliable performance and durability. Tested rigorously at dedicated facilities, it's built to last. Be assured, there is durability and quality in every detail. Downtime is also minimized by easy maintenance and cleaning, saving you time and money. With the Hitachi ZX95W-7 wheeled excavator, we put you firmly in control of your business, your workspace, and your fleet. In partnership with Hitachi, you can create your vision.